Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Syazreel bin Jaafar. Me and my other friend is going to represent about the CNC machining that have been made, which is a dry clutch cover. So one of my friends is Muhammad Syafie bin Muhammad Bakri, Muhammad Hakimi bin Abdul Rahim, Adam Daniel bin Sulaiman, and Muhammad Syazreel bin Mat Zain. So we go to the next part, which is a project objective of this semester. So number one is to design a simple part using a CATIA, which is we are using a dry glass cover to have been made and fabricated at a CNC lab. And the second one is to perform a machining operation and generate NC coding. And number third is to develop and fabricate part, which is a dry glass cover. So we go to the next part, which is project planning. It should be represented by Muhammad Hakimi.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present about project planning. As you can see, the task we have project briefing, design idea launch, proposal submission, part sketching, 3D modeling, CAM and machining simulate, generate NC code, develop logo, complete a final report, and also the video. And then this is week that we are following. So we go to the next.
Hello, I will continue. My name is Adam. In the left picture, this is 3D modeling, and the right picture is process assembly, stock, product, and plan.
Okay, so for the next slide is process planning and cutting tool. The right side is cutting tools that we use to this project, and the right side we use process in this project, which is F-sheet process. Next. Okay, for the next slide is process. First, facing using the T1 face mill D63 tools. The bottom of the slide is the process. We setting the tool part, which is the approach and retract, second return in level retract, and return in level approach. For the right side is simulation, the simulate the setting to process the workpiece. That's it. Next.
Okay, I will continue for the next process, which is drilling process using tool 5, drilling diameter 4. As you can see in our product is we have around 7 holes. So the first one is approach, retreat, and return level. We use a suitable way. And then the right side drilling brake chip toolpath, we are using a simulate to see all the drilling process in a good condition or not. We basically see on the video simulation. If okay, we proceed to the next level. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next is Muhammad Syazreel.
My name is Muhammad Syazreel. Okay, and then after the drilling process, we have to do the roughing process for our project. We're using the T6 and mill diameter 16. And then as we can see, for macro management process, we just use 3 of it. The first one is automatic, and the second one pre-motion, and then the last one is post-motion. All of it we need to activate and then set it on suitable way. And then on the right side we can see the tool path and then the video simulation to simulate our roughing process. Then for the fourth process we use this pocket, and then we're using the T2 end mill diameter 6. Then for macro management process, there's 4 steps. The first one is approach, The second one is retract. The third one is return in level retract, and then the fourth one is return in level approach. All of it we have to activate and then use it in suitable way. Then same tool path, and then the video simulation to simulate the pocket process. Thank you very much. For the next one.
So we have Adam.
I will continue. Process 5, profile contouring. This profile is tool T11 and mil diameter 4. Profile contouring have 4 macro management process. First is approach, second retract, return in level retract, return in level approach. And the right side, this tool part, this simulation for the bottom of the
Level.
level. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. So the next one is my turn is so my name is Syazreel Akasha. I'm going to represent about process 6, which is a sweeping process. So basically, sweeping process, as you can see on the arrow side, is the finishing process that we make it after roughing process. So on the sweeping process, there are 3 macro management process. So you can see on the left side and bottom, we have a retracts, and the second we have an approach, and the second one we have a retracts, and the third one we have a return level of retracts. There are 3 suitable ways to setting the micromanagement, which is set by plane and by plane, which is the number 1 plane is 10 mm above the stocks, and the second plane is 30 mm above the stocks. On the right side, as you can see, the tool path of this sweeping process, and on the bottom one is a video simulation of the sweeping process as a finishing process for these products. And next part is a result and discussion. So the result and discussion is using 3-axis DMG machine instead of a 5-axis machine, because of this particular product is the most suitable products for 5-axis machining, because it have a draft on the left on the side of these products. And the second one is several tool paths need to be done with cautious in order to avoid collision between tool holder, turret, and a workpiece. And number 3 is using sweeping process to gain a good surface finish. We are hoping to get a mirror surface finish, but it doesn't because of the scallop and the step over of this tool and the vibration of this machine. And number 4 is using drilling cheat brake in order to avoid high tool load, because of our hole is 4 diameter 4, and it's have a risk to break in machining process. So the next part is we have show you the product result after the fabrication has been made on the last weeks. You can see on the left side is from back side of these products. On the right side is from the top of this product. So I think that's it for our presentation. So I want to end this presentation with a thank you very much to Dr. Zulkarnain and Mr. Razimin, and also Mr. Syafie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.